If you are in a B2B space wanting to advertise about your business and services, LinkedIn is one of the best platforms to get started. LinkedIn is ranked number 1 as a perfect platform for B2B lead generation. It has 4 times higher open rate, and overall 93% of content marketers use LinkedIn for organic social media marketing. So this is a demo account I created on LinkedIn just for the purpose of this video. First thing we're gonna do is go to the work section over here and click advertise. Here we're gonna set up our campaign manager account, and this is a place where we're gonna manage all our ads, all our campaign, billing, everything in this one interface. So we're gonna give a name to this account. So I'll call this as Sparks ad account. Here you can connect your LinkedIn account with an existing LinkedIn page that you have. So you can enter the page name or the URL, and over here you can set your currency. So currently it is set to USD, which is fine by me, and then you'll click agree and create account. So we have successfully created our account. I'll click let's get started. So then we will come to this interface where we will start creating our first campaign. So I'm gonna go in over here and give a name to this campaign. You can give any name you want. This is mainly for your internal organizational purpose. Next, we're gonna select our objective. Basically, this means what we want our customers to do when they click on our ad. I mean, why are we even advertising in the first place? So for example, if your purpose is to raise brand awareness for your company, you can click this. For the purpose of this video, I will click website visits. Basically, I want to run this ad and drive people to my website. So I'll click that. So next you will be entering more information about the audience you want to reach out to and target. And over here you're going to see forecasted result, meaning based on the information that you enter on this section, it's going to break down the target audience size and the amount that you should be expecting to spend, CDR, things like that. So where is your target audience? So for the purpose of this video, basically we are running a masterclass and we want to invite more people who are interested in social media marketing to attend that masterclass, and also at the same time drive traffic and awareness to our website. We are running this masterclass online, but since our audience is mainly located in US, we want to target only those people. Cancel that and I'll put this as USA. You can also enter exclude location. Basically, these are the people you don't want to target, and that way you can save money because LinkedIn won't show ads to those people. Who is your target audience? So we're gonna narrow down our audience a bit more. So I'll click that, and over here we can start building our audience based on certain attribute we want to target. So since we are in a social media marketing space and we are running a masterclass, so we want to invite all the marketers out there. So that's what our audience generally would look like. So I'll click audience attributes over here, and I'll go to demographics, and I'll click member age. So basically I want to target people who are from 25 to 34, 35 to 54 only. I don't want to target young audience because most of them might still be in the college, and that won't be an ideal audience for us. The other thing I want to target is the job experience. So I'll select that and I'll click job seniorities, and I want to reach out to people in senior position, managers, directors, VPs, even owners of like small marketing agencies. That would be an ideal audience for us. And I will also click job titles. So anybody who is in a marketing manager position, I want to reach out to them. And over here you're going to see LinkedIn is providing you a suggested job title. So head of marketing should be okay, sales, marketing manager, marketing specialist. These guys would definitely be interested in social media marketing masterclass that we are launching. So this is the whole idea behind narrowing down your audience so that you can get quality leads, quality audience that would be reaching out to you and your business. So all of this looks good to me. All of these are the people that actually fit the criteria I want to reach out for. And if you go under exclude section, you also have the option to enter certain criteria or segment of people that you don't want to reach out to. For example, let's say if there is a marketing intern, I don't want to reach out to them because this masterclass is basically suited for people in a managerial position. So you can go in and click job experience, click job title, and just type out the title. So I'll put intern. So we don't want to waste our money and our dollars on anybody who is in an internship position in relevance to this ad. Perfect. So next we have the ad format. So this is the actual creative that is going to be reflected on the LinkedIn page. So you have different form of ads that you can play around with. We have single image ad, carousel ad, video ad, text ad, spotlight ad, message ad, conversion ad, and event ad as well. So here is an example of a single image ad. It's literally just a single image with a bit of copy and things like that. For video ad, it's going to be an actual video that is going to play. For carousel ad, it's going to be something very similar to this. For events ad, it would look something like that. So just to give you a guide on what you can expect. So next we have the placement. Basically, this is where your ads will be placed. So we are saying we want our ads to be placed on the LinkedIn properties like website and mobile app. And also we want our ads to be placed on the audience network, on the third-party publishers, basically where the audience is going to engage. So next we have the budget and schedule. So over here, you can set a daily budget or a lifetime budget, or you can set both. I'm going to set a daily budget in my case. And when you enter the amount, so I entered $10. And when I do that, on this section, you can see the amount that you can expect to spend, the impressions you can expect to have, the CTR, and all of that fun stuff. If I spend, let's say $50, the metrics is going to change here accordingly. So I'll stick to 10 for this case. And over here, you can select the schedule. So I want this campaign to start today. And if you want to have an end date as well, you can enter the end date over here. If you want this campaign to run continuously, you can select that. For the purpose of this video, I want this campaign to start on 18th of March and I want it to end on the end of the March. And once you enter this information, again, you can see the expected clicks that you can generate. Next, we have the bidding strategy. So you can go for maximum delivery. Basically, this means they're going to automatically set and adjust your bid so that you can get the most result possible while also utilizing your complete budget. Next, we have cost cap. So you can set your maximum cost per a certain result. And the LinkedIn algorithm will try to deliver the results based on the price point that you set. So if I click cost cap, I can go in over here and enter the amount that I want to set for per landing page click. So here I'm saying that if anybody clicks on my landing page, my cost cap is $7 for that. You also have some additional options such as manual bidding. So over here, you're actually entering the actual amount you want to bid for on a certain click. If you want to get more context on all the bidding strategies out there, I highly recommend you to click the question mark button and go to the learn more section where you're going to have more context on that. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select maximum delivery. So then we have conversion tracking. Now this is a great way to see what our audience is doing and what actions they are taking on a website after they see our ad or click on the ad. So that way we can track the results accordingly. So if you want to do that, you can click create new conversion and set up a conversion tracking page over here. So once all of this is set, we'll click next. So over here, we are actually going to create our creative and the copy. So you have an option to either browse through your existing content or I'll click create new ad. And on this section, we're going to name this ad. So I'll call this as social media masterclass. Okay, so over here, I have entered some information. So I've given a name to my ad. I've entered my introductory text, which is going to appear basically on this section. I have entered my destination URL. Over here, I have entered my headline, which is appearing on this side, description, which is going to be displayed over here. I'm going to enter my ad image. So I'll click upload and I'll select this image over here. I'll click add to library and I'll click select my call to action over here as sign up. And perfect. So on my right hand side, you can see a really nice visual of my ad. So you will have your company name over here, followers, promoted, headline, this is our creative, and a text over here and a sign up button. So this is not one of our best creative, and I always say in a lot of my videos to ignore my creative and my copy for the purpose that this is to show your demonstration. But if you're actually doing this, just make sure you have a nice copy that is captivating, that captures the attention of the audience, and make sure that your image or the video that you're using is really catchy, branded, because when somebody is scrolling through their feed, you want to provide value and you also want to capture their attention through your creative. So it's very important that the creative you are working on is high quality, it speaks the message, it's bold, it's enticing, and take a look at it from your perspective, that if you are working on it, would you click on that ad? Would you find that interesting? And yeah, that's just a good guideline to create beautiful creatives and to make your ad a bit more successful. So next, you're gonna come to this page and LinkedIn is saying that create 5 ads to improve the performance just based on a certain metrics they have seen. So if you have another creative that you have made for this campaign, you can also add it to this one. For the purpose of this video, I'll stick to what it is and I'll click next. And on this section, you're gonna see just a summary of what you have selected so far. Quickly go through it, make sure it looks good, and click launch campaign. So once you have entered your billing information, your campaign will go live, and over here you're gonna see the status of your ad, the amount you have spent, CPR, impressions, click-through rate, and a lot of other fun stuff to see how your ad is performing. And that's how you create a LinkedIn ad. And I hope you guys find this video helpful and educational. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or any insights, please leave them in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye now.